Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail icon from Android phone. In this tutorial is very easy. Okay, let's start the video. First open your Gmail apps. And click on three line menu. Scroll down. Tap on settings. And select the remove Gmail account. Select the Gmail. Tap on three dot menu and tap on manage accounts. Tap on Gmail. Tap on remove account. Finally tap on remove. By doing this process, you can easily to remove your email icon from any Android phone. Thank you.